Sibambe ngazibini ngenkxaso engagungqiyo nisabukele kaloku i-SABC lihaye imanyano yabasebenzi i-General Industries Workers Union of South Africa ifuna urhoxiswe ngoko nangoko intlawulo ye-Metro Rail ekulindeleke uba iqalise ngomhla wokuqala ku-August ka-2025. I-arhente ye-Passenger Rail Agency of South Africa iPRASA ngamafuphi ibhengeze ukuba itikiti elinye liza kwenyuka nge-R2.50 ngelixa ke lokubuya lizawunyuka nge-R5.50 ukuya kwi-R8 kokuxhomekeka ke komgama ohanjiweyo.
Like many South Africans, she depends on public transport to get to work daily. For affordability, Metro Rail trains are her lifeline to get to work, but the upcoming fare increases have left her anxious.
I use train every day to work, but I'm not happy about the increase because they increase with more money, 100 rands.
With train commuters left worried about the steep increases, Geusa says the increase is an economic assault on the poor and working class.
In a time when more than ever before, we must be promoting access to public transport to reduce the traffic on the roads, to lower the cost of transportation, but also to combat the impacts of transport on greenhouse emission and climate change. And I think this we can accept. The Metro Rail and PRASA should be viewing this as a public service, and that, like other public services, it must actually contribute to lowering the cost of living. The working class is already suffering from unsustainable increases in energy, food, and other prices.
Hawkers who make a living through selling at train stations are also frustrated. This gentleman says his business is already on thin ice.
We're going to fight out so badly, so bad, because there's no more business. No money now, but no money. No more income.
COSATU called for increases that are in line with inflation.
It is very obvious that the poor and the working class are actually buckling under the rising cost of living. And it is for this reason, although COSATU acknowledges that PRASA has actually invested in its infrastructure and has rolled out new trains, we believe they should rather at this point be concentrating on bringing back the commuters to use rail transport, because when the infrastructure was vandalized during COVID, then people had to find other means of transport to rely on. Currently, discussions are happening at NEDLAC to finalize the subsidization of public transport. And we think until that has been completed, that fares shouldn't be increased beyond the current rate of inflation.
Meanwhile, commuters are also unhappy that trains do not operate on Sundays. Other hawkers say it's unfair to pay high train fares when they have to risk their lives early morning to walk far to access this particular station that's left vandalized and not working since the COVID-19 lockdown. Patricia Fasache, SABC News in Pretoria.
Kanti ke mbukeli ngengxelo ebanzi ngoku apha e-studio sinaye umnumzana uSipho Linda ungumququzeleli ke mbukeli weGiwusa ukuthetha ngakumbi ngolutshintsho olulindelekileyo njengoko bephikisana okanye uluvo labantu libonakala ngathi luyabetha bethana. Mnumzana uSipho masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho.
Ngiyabonga ukuthi ngibe la kule nqubo nami ngiyabonga nje ukuthi ngamukeleke.
Ndiyafuna uqonda into yokubana ingaba uluvo lwenu niyigusa ngalomba kuba siyeva into yokubana naba bayisebenzisayo bavakalisa indlela abangonwabanga ngayo nithini nina?
No, siGiwusa sikhathazekile njengabo bonke abasebenzisi bePRASA, abasebenzi kakhulukazi ngoba sumbutho o representa noma omela abasebenzi. So siyazi ukuthi abasebenzi babhekene nani empilweni kakhulukazi mabebheka emsebenzini, uma beyemsebenzini, mabebuya emsebenzini bathola kangakanani imali abaziholayo ngoba njoba kule nyanga inyanga yama wage negotiations kakhulukazi Uma sikhuluma nabaqhashi ukuthi abasebenzi bakwazi ukuthola imivuzo engconywana, abaqhashi abavumi ne-increase ukuthi bathole uchatha abasebenzi. So into enzakalayo bagcina bemile koma 3%, 4%, but no, inflation is ila ku 2.8. So uma uPrasa naye ezonezela kuzo ley'nkinga abasebenzi ababhekene nazo, kuyasikhathaza kakhulu ngoba amamemba wethu lawa abheke kithi njengombutho wabo ukuthi senza kanjani ukuba representa kuzo zonke iy'nkinga abasuke bebhekene nazo.
Kodwa iPrasa ithi ukwenyuka kwale mali izawuncedisa kakhulu kwimiba yokuba bakwazi ukuphucula ukunikeza kwenkonzo, i-service delivery, bakwazi noku-improve i-sustainability, because sivile into yokubana khona nendawo ezingekalungi infrastructure yabo kusukela ngo-COVID-19. Esizathu sanele?
Asanelanga lezo zathu ukuthi bengathembela emalini yabasebenzi abasogolayo nabo ngokwabo. Uhulumeni, iPrasa siyazi ukuthi inhlangano kahulumeni, so uhulumeni unemali eyanele and siyazi sinobufakazi singakhuluma sibuveze. Kodwa ke manje uPrasa uyinhlangano kahulumeni ukuthi uhulumeni uyakwazi ukuthi asubsidize uPrasa, engaqhubeka amsubsidize enze sure ukuthi uPrasa uthola imali enough for ukuthi baqhubeke benze zonke izinto abaplane ukuthi bazenze. And okunye futhi ukuthi uPrasa kunabantu ababenefita ngoPrasa abangamakhampani izinto ezifana nalezo, so bengakwazi ukuthi beyotaxa labo bantu ukuyibona abanemali eningi ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi baqhubeke ba-sustain noma balungise whatever le abafuna ukuyilungisa. But abasebenzi ngempela imali zabo kuyasikhathaza ukuthi behlale njalo kuba abasebenzi ukuyibona okufanele kuthathwe kubo nabo bengathathi intweni ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi basubsidize uPrasa. Akuzwakali kahle, akwehli kahle, akusijabulisi.
Ingqonyela yapha ePrasa Rail uNwabisa Qamane Ntiyane uye wayichaza into yokubana nakubeni lento izoba ngumngeni, kodwa kuyabonakala into yokubana izithuthi zabo zezona zi-affordable, zisezantsi. Njengoko nani nimele abantu, ingaba mhlawumbe niye nathetha nabo on the ground, eyona nkxalabo yabo ithini? Because siyazi into yokubana already ezoqoqosho zalapha eMzantsi Afrika zibonakala ngathi azihambi kakuhle. Eyona nkxalabo yabo bayivakalisa ithini?
Abasebenzi well siyazi ngokuphelele ukuthi iPrasa iyona impela i-transport ekwazi ukuthi ibe affordable kubasebenzi uma ukompare nezinye ithuthi ezithutha umphakathi. So iPrasa iyona ndawo esithembele kuyo, abasebenzi abathembele kuyo. But uma kuukuthi iPrasa izokwazi ukuthi iqhubeke ikhuphule amanani, ila ukhathazeka okuvela khona ngoba iyona ndawo esithembele kuyo, futhi sithembela nokuthi uma iPrasa yenza kahle wonke umuntu engagcina esebenzisa yona le i-transport yePrasa uku-avoida izinto ezifana nama-congestion, nama-accident, ne-pollution, ukungcoliswa komoya. So umphakathi omningi ungakwazi ukuthi ugcine uthembela kuPrasa. But uPrasa kufanele afunde ukuthi aconsulte nabantu, akhulumisane nabantu ukuthi nakho esiplan ukuthi sikwenze ukuze kube nesivumelwano, sikwazi ukukhuluma nabasebenzi, sibe nesivumelwano ukuthi sikwazi ukusebenzisa transport yabo, ngoba vele siyazi ukuthi iPrasa iyona i-transport engakwazi ukuthi isincede.
Ndiyayithanda kakhulu lento oyibalulayo into yokubana uPrasa funeke abe kanti xa ezawuthetha ngezinto ezikumila kunje ezidibanisene nemali akwazi uke ebantwini kube khona i-consultation process view yokuba nantsi into nina nicinga ntoni. Siyayazi inqumbo yabemi boMzantsi Afrika ingakumbi xa bangoneli ngezinto kuba kuyabonakala into yokubana abasebenzi abathokozile. Ingaba mhlawumbe zikhona izicwangciso zokuba mhlawumbe bavakalise izimvo zabo njengosisho into yokubana there was no consultation view, banazi izicwangciso zokwenza izinto ezithile, be it mhlawumbe ngumbhikisho?
Lo umphakathi omningi noma i-community igcina yenza izinto ezifana nalezo ukuthi mhlawumbe hayi ukuthi bayathanda ukuthi abantu babhikishe, bebhikishela mhlawumbe uhulumeni noma babhikishela noma ubani ikhampani, but sikwenza ngoba abasebenzi bengasenayo enye into abangathembela kuyo bathembela nje ekutheni at least ngolo sizwakalise ukungajabuli kwethu nokungeneliseki kwethu ngama-strike. So iyona nto engagcina yenzeka, sibonile kwenzeka eThembisa ugesi ukhushula ngendlela okhushule ngayo, umphakathi wagcina usuvala indlela wenza zonke lezo zinto. So nala singagcina sibona isimo esifanayo ukuthi abasebenzi mabengajabulanga ngesenzo sika-PRASA singagcina sibona imibhikisho yenzeka. Ingakho
kodwa niyayigwema nina loo nto kuba kaloku ndiyacinga into yokubana xa bezawubhikisha bazufike nje phaa bathethe bazawudiliza izakhiwo bafake amatye kudodobale.
Siyayigwema ngokuthi sikhulumisane nabo abasebenzi ukuthi no ngcono kwenziwa ama-committee, igeusa ikhona, nathi siconsulta namanye ama-labor movements kufana ne-SAFT ngoba igeusa ngaphansi kwe-SAFT ukuthi lokungajabuli nokungeneliseki komphakathi wabasebenzi sikwazi ukuthi sigcine sesikhuluma nayo iPRASA yona ngokwayo, siyibhalele ukuthi sihlale phansi sibone ukuthi yona yiphi indlela engcono esingeza nayo ukuthi sigweme izimo ezifana nalezo.
Ngaphandle kwezi consequences esele sizibalulileyo, ndiyafuna uqonda mhlawumbe into yokubana ingaba singabona abagibeli nakubeni ke ibonakala ngathi sesona sithuthi abantu abakwazi into yokubana bafikelele kuso ingakumbi abantu abangathathi intweni. Ingaba singabona mhlawumbe i-decline yabantu abazawusebenzisa esi sithuthi?
I-decline abantu kusho ukuthi into enzakalayo ukuthi sithi ngesikhathi se-COVID abantu bathola ezinye indlela zokuya emsebenzini. So ukudecline sibhekene nesimo mangenza i-example kufana nendaba yokukhuphuka kwepetroli. Ipetroli ihlala ikhuphuka every now and then kodwa ayikho enye into abantu abangathembela kuyo ukuthi baye emsebenzini, bagcina vele sebengena lapho kulezo yithuthi noma imali iphezulu but ngoba ingekho enye indlela abangenza ngayo. So ingakho kugcina manje kuba nemibhikisho ukuthi ukuzwakalisa ukungeneliseki ngoba kusuke kungekho umuntu olalelayo, but ayikho enye i-transport abantu abangathembela kuyo ngaphandle kwazo lezi yithuthi ezifana nePRASA namatekisi.
Njengosisho into yokubana ayikho kuyoba nzima umuntu into yokubana athi hayi ndiyazikhweba andisafuni ukuzibandakanya nePRASA. Ngoku bamisela into yokubana ngomhla wokuqala ka-August ndiyacinga into yokubana kule veki le ngoLwesihlanu kulapho bemisela into yokubana bayayiqalisa le nkqubo. Ingaba mhlawumbe niye nabanalo uthethathethwano nePRASA nibacenge zithini ingxoxo ngoku?
iPRASA besingakakhulumisani nayo ukuze kube imanje, but ke into esohlelweni lwethu lokuthi sikwazi ukukhulumisana nabo ukuthi sibabhalele sihlale phansi nabo sibabonise ukuthi umphakathi noma abantu abangabasebenzi abasebenzisa kakhulu lezi zithuthi
inoba into enizawuyenza nini sentsho namhlanje kungolwesithathu sekusele nje usuku olunye kahle kahle.
Yeah, ngoba sisebenzisana nezinhlangano eziningi. So noma ngabe kuthiwa siyababhalela namhlanje ugovernment siyazi ukuthi operator kanjani, uma seyidecide ukuyenza into uyayenza regardless ukuthi kukhona i-agreement noma ayikho i-agreement. But ke ukuze sikwazi ukuhlanganisa zonke inhlangano sizodinga isikhathi ukuthi sikwazi ukuformulate ama-demands, senze ama-submission kwa-PRASA ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sihlale phansi nabo sikhulumisane kahle.
Sentsho azibikho ne-off-peak discounts because ndiyacinga into yokubana mhlawumbi omnye uzawuthi hayi incinci R2.50 but komnye umntu nyhani oqondayo imeko yakhe la R2.50 inintsi kakhulu. Njengokusitsho into yokubana abantu baxhomekeke kakhulu kuPRASA, uthetha uba mhlawumbe ayikho nje noba ngenye i-alternative angathi bayisebenzisa umuntu oqonda into yobana yho mna angeke ndikwazi?
Ayikho sisiwami enye indlela futhi i-transport engcono kunePRASA. Amatekisi angisho ukuthi ngikhuluma kabi, amatekisi aphezulu, ama-Uber aphezulu, so i-transport engcono iyo iPRASA. So into esidinga nje uPRASA ukuthi akwazi uku-understanda isimo sabasebenzi ngoba ikakhulukazi abaningi abasebenzi abathatha intweni njengoba ngiyenze example abasebenzi abanye sibarepresentayo bahola imali engango-6,000 and if kule 6,000 imali ya transport nemali electricity about 6% yaleyo mali iya kwi-transport, then kucost ukuthi manje umuntu a-adjuste la emalini yokuthi athenge ukudla. So sigcina siba neproblem ukuthi abantu bayalamba, abantu abakwazi ukuthi banikezwe bathole imali enough ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ukudla nokubhadala ezinye izinto. Asikafaki imali ye-rent, asikafaki imali yama-bills wabantwana besikole nama-school fees. So iyona nto esibhekene nayo, abasebenzi abaningi ababhekene nayo, ukuthi siyadinga ukuthi uPrasa naye njengo-government asinikeze indlebe akwazi ukuthi alungisa amanani ukuthi angakwazi ukuthi akhuphuke ngale ndlela akhuphuke ngayo.
And the least they can do kukuba bahlangane nani halfway, because already indleko sezininzi ngoku xa kuzoliqanduva kubangela nje olunye uxinzelelo lwengqondo. Xa sizayiqwela siyiqongqothe mnumzana, uthini kubasebenzi, uthini kuPrasa, njengokuba benditshilo ngaphambili into yokubana akuntsuku zatywala, sekusele nje usuku olulodwa, umyalezo odlulisayo kubo njengoko sazi into yokubana ingqondo yabantu ayilawuleki?
Ya, siyamcela uPrasa ukuthi akamise kancane ngokukhuphula imali ye-transport. Siyamcela ukuthi ake ame sikwazi ukuthi siconsult, sibe nama-consultation, kube ne-agreement esizofinyelela kuye, ngoba ngale kwalokho sizoba nesimo la sithola khona ukuthi abantu bayabhikisha, and abantu mabebhikisha noma sizama ukuthi singayigwema into yokuthi bengavandalize, but kuyazenzakalela. Uthola ukuthi abasebenzi abalawuleki uma sebekwatile. So siyabacela nje, siyamcela uPrasa ukuthi ame kancane aconsulte nama-labor movement, aconsulte nama-federation, aconsulte nathi ukuze sikwazi ukumbekela ukuthi isimo sabasebenzi sikanjani, ngoba kungenzeka ukuthi uPrasa akazi ukuthi abasebenzi babhekene nani.
Uyayiqonda loo nto. Sibambe ngazibini mnumzana ngexesha lakho, sithemba into yokubana mhlambe kwinzameni nazo nenkqubo naye uPrasa uthethathethwano konke kuzohamba njengempumelelo. Masibambe ngazibini. Right, Mukeli.